Welcome to Scilab land. We are going to download and install Scilab to a MacBook Air. First step, Google Scilab. Scilab. There it is, scilab.org. And Scilab is this software package we're going to download. Download it. It's free. It should cost you nothing. The latest version is unfortunately only available in Windows and Linux. So we're going to have to go to version 6.0-2, find your Mac OS. You may be prompted to install an old version of Java. That's going to be lame. But that is sometimes how life works when you're using a Mac. It's weird. These programs are designed for, I think, Windows more than Mac, if it's not already obvious, right? They're still working on their latest up version for Mac. That's just it's sort of industry standard, man. Like, people just design stuff for Windows first. More of a market or whatever. It's tradition. There you go. But you can run stuff on a Mac. You just have to kind of finagle it sometimes. That's the kind of thing with running specialized software. Sometimes people get these emulators that emulate Windows on their Mac. They partition their drive or whatever. I've done that before on my Mac and run software off of that I can't access via Mac. But here it is. It's a DMG file. It's almost done. We got 25 seconds left. Scilab is a competitor to MATLAB. MATLAB's sort of like the professional grade industry standard stuff you'll see in college a lot, science and engineering. MATLAB, the student version of MATLAB costs about $100 and something, and Scilab is free for everybody, so we are programming in Scilab, not MATLAB, because it's free. All you have to do is download old versions of Java. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, lies. So it's downloaded. I'm going to go ahead and open that. So open the DMG file. It's verifying. Attaching. Checking volumes. Mounting, finishing. All right, so you just grab this Scilab, drag it into your applications folder, and that is how you install a program. Isn't that cool? I love that they still make you drag it onto the applications folder. That's all you have to do to install. Looks like about a minute left. Look at it zooming by. Less than a minute to go. It's interesting they picked the macaw, or what is that, a parrot? It's not a macaw. Looks like a puffin. I don't know what that is. What kind of bird is... like, I was like, macaw is not a macaw. No, maybe it's a puffin. But do puffins have those, like, yellow wing things? I don't know, man. It looks like a puffin. We've got a puffin for Scilab. Yeah, it's the mascot for the software, I guess. Unless, maybe I'm wrong. All right. Talking about this thing right here. Little bird. Aha! Let's cross our fingers and hope that the Java does not have to be installed. Because, I hate installing Java. I can never get that right. It's something that can fail real easy. Well, looks like it's done. So how do I open Scilab? Well, it's in my applications folder. So I'm just going to go to my Finder window. Applications folder. There's so many. Can I just type in Scilab? What is it doing? It's doing like some .sci file? I really hope it's not like... Let's go to applications. What did it do? There it is, Scilab. Double click on it.
That should work. Let's cross our fingers. There's our little puffin of joy trying to open. Usually it takes a second to open this kind of software. So we just want to be patient. Patient in our lives. Just grumpily patient. You know, first time you run something, you really just want it to work. You can always... Oh, crap. What do I do? It says it can't verify the developer. That's so lame. Wish we could override. There. Let's see. So let's see if this works. Looks like we're gonna have to go into our menu and try to override the thing. So it says general. Click on the lock button. Touch that with my finger because my finger works. Let's see. There's okay. So now what? Select the sources from. So I'm reading over here. Select the sources from which you allow software to be installed. Open anyway. Look at that. So you see that? I clicked the open anyway. So is it gonna open? Is it trying to open? Let's cancel. Open anyway. Open it. There we go. We got it cooking, man. What better way to destroy your parents' computer than to open this up? Oh. Okay. So it wants the old Java. I'm almost about to give up, man. I'm really tired. I just want to give up. But that you'll just have to continue to finagle it. Get your old Java. It's not gonna open? I'm gonna try opening it one more time. So this is what you're gonna have to do. Download this and it will work. So this is my wife's computer. I'm not gonna. Yeah, should download that and it should work. Hopefully that will work for you once you get it operating. Moral of the story: try to find something that's not a Mac. But there you go. That's the solution. So I'm gonna quit the video there and hope that it works for you. Message me if you're having issues after you can't run the Java. Good luck, team.